Hello everyone. Welcome back to Pro Review Hub, where we bring you the most in-depth reviews of the products you love. In today's episode, we're going to take a deep dive into a topic that affects many people as they get older, which is joint health. I'm excited to introduce you to Joint Genesis, a supplement designed to promote joint health and mobility. With so many options on the market, it's crucial to understand what really works. So join us as we take a closer look at the benefits, ingredients, and results of this product. If you're looking for joint pain relief or simply want to maintain mobility over the years, this video is for you. In this video, let's find out together if Joint Genesis is the solution we all need. Joint Genesis is a food supplement designed to support joint health. First, let's talk about its formula, which contains ingredients such as mobility, French maritime pine bark, ginger root, boswellia serrata, and bioperine. Mobility represents the main component of Joint Genesis, and as research progresses, it is proving to be essential for promoting joint well-being in all age groups. An 80 mg dose of mobility has been shown to multiply hyaluron levels in the joints by a factor of 10. Hyaluron's crucial role in joint health is to absorb water so that it can give synovial fluid its naturally thick, lubricating, and gelatinous quality. Synovial fluid is a clear, viscous fluid in the joints, produced by the synovial membrane to lubricate, cushion, and nourish the joints, facilitating movement and reducing friction between the bones. For many, the challenge is that the production of hyaluronic acid in the joints decreases considerably after the age of 30. This leads to a reduction in the viscosity of the synovial fluid, drying out of the cartilage, and an inflammatory response that can cause age-related joint problems. The next component is derived from French maritime pine bark. In several studies, this super antioxidant has been shown to be one of the most effective ingredients in the world for promoting a healthy inflammatory response and improving joint comfort and function. And it acts quickly, which is why French maritime pine bark is the ideal complement to mobility. The other component is ginger root. Like French maritime pine bark, ginger is also a powerful antioxidant, and there are decades of research supporting its ability to promote a healthy inflammatory response in joint tissues. Research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food revealed that a ginger extract was effective in reducing knee pain in patients with age-related joint problems. This action of ginger contributes to enhancing the benefits of Joint Genesis, favoring greater comfort, flexibility, and mobility in the joints. Another component that helps strengthen the effects of mobility and French maritime pine bark is boswellia serrata, a tree native to India. Studies have shown that the resin extract from the bark of the boswellia tree promotes a healthy inflammatory response in the joint tissues, aiding joint comfort and function. In addition, research published in the scientific journal Phytomedicine evaluated the effects of a combination of French maritime pine bark and boswellia serrata on patients with age-related joint pain, concluding that the combination significantly improved pain, stiffness, and physical function in the joints. To reinforce the fast and effective results, Joint Genesis also contains bioperine, a patented black pepper extract, which improves the absorption of the other ingredients. This unique combination provides all the support needed to keep joints healthy, allowing for comfortable movement and recovering the flexibility of youth. The benefits of using Joint Genesis are obvious. Scientific studies and various clinical trials have proven that by hydrating and increasing the viscosity of synovial fluid, you are promoting nourished and lubricated joints, a healthy inflammatory response, optimal joint comfort, youthful mobility and flexibility, and a happy, active life. If you're dealing with joint problems, you know how it can impact your quality of life. Imagine being able to move freely, without pain, and enjoy all the activities you love. With Joint Genesis, this is possible. Don't let joint pain limit your daily activities. Try Joint Genesis and rediscover the freedom of movement you thought you had lost. Joint Genesis is vegetarian and vegan, as well as being free from gluten, dairy, nuts, soy, egg, shellfish, and, of course, nasty BPAs and GMOs. Joint Genesis is meticulously produced following current good manufacturing practices in state-of-the-art, climate-controlled, and FDA-inspected facilities, right here in the USA. Joint Genesis is formulated with high-quality ingredients and produced using a premium process to ensure maximum effectiveness. Due to its superior quality, the price of Joint Genesis is also considered premium. However, you can purchase the product through the unmissable promotion on the official website, which is just below in the description or in the comments. Don't miss out on the opportunity to buy Joint Genesis at a special price and start taking care of your joints effectively. Visit the website to check out this exclusive offer. You'll never be able to order Joint Genesis as cheaply as you can today. You'll be delighted with the results of Joint Genesis, which is why the guarantee is that you'll have a full 6 months to try it, risk-free, regardless of which package you choose. If you change your mind for any reason, simply contact the customer support team via the official website and a full refund will be given. What's more, the satisfaction guarantee ensures that you'll get a full refund, even if you've used up all the product. So, by trying Joint Genesis, you have nothing to lose and a happier, more active future to gain. The video has come to an end and I hope you enjoyed it. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, activate the notification bell, like and share our video. That way you help our channel grow and gain more visibility. Share this video with someone you know who needs this information. Thank you for watching.